Hey guys, I have the Beauty Box Look Fantastic box for the month of July. They do send me this for review purpose. This time when I opened the box, I was actually pleasantly surprised that they sent this little baggie. I love when they send little travel bags like this just because I feel like they are something that I can use. They're not way too small, not too big. They're just like a perfect size for you to be able to put stuff in and take it with you. And so here is the little booklet for this month, and we're gonna go ahead and go through the products that are in here. So let's pop these out. And the first thing in here is a face and body tan mist. This is cucumber. I don't know. Okay, so this is to extend your self tan, or it actually gradually becomes darker. I am definitely gonna try this, especially in my legs, because sometimes I feel like my top portion is disproportionate from the color of my legs. And we'll see if this works or what kind of color it comes up with. But basically it says that you could actually use it for your face and your body, and then it gradually becomes like it's a tanner that, you know, starts developing little by little. So we shall see. I've never heard of this, and the brand is called Mine. Next thing in here is this little guy right here. This is the Beyond Liquid Highlighter in the shade OMG. I'm thinking that this is probably going to be like super potent, and this is from the brand Illamasqua. Wow, look at that. That is, oh my god, that is so blinding. That is, ooh, she's pigmented. So little goes a long way with this little guy, but a really gorgeous highlight. This is like one of those in your face kind of highlights. And I would also use this like in the inner corners to really pop an eye if you wanted to, but ooh, she is pigmented. Next thing in here is the Grow Gorgeous. This is an anti-pollution leave-in spray. So this is for your hair. You put it into towel dried hair and style as usual. And let me see. Just a spray smell. It kind of has a really musky smell to it, and this says that it has green tea extracts, sunflower extracts, and vitamin B5. It helps, again, heat damage, color fading, and external aggressors. It says that it is especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product buildup. So I'm definitely gonna try this out because my hair is super thin and it becomes greasy so freaking fast. And I try to use dry shampoo, but you know, dry shampoo can feel a little gritty sometimes or leave a white cast in the hair. And yeah, I'm gonna definitely try this out, and hopefully it will help with the oil in my hair. And then the next thing in here is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. It has kombucha glow moisturizer. Elemis is a high-end skincare company. Their stuff is actually really good, the stuff that I've tried. I've only not liked like one of their things. And yeah, so this is 0.6 fluid ounces, and it has ginger, green tea, the kombucha, and is supposed to give you a smooth, glowy, dewy skin. So let's go ahead and open this sucker up. And okay, just a whole bunch squirted out, my bad. Oh, it has like a glow to it. That is pretty. It's like, I would actually use this like before makeup because it kind of gives like a beautiful glow to the skin. It actually has like shimmer particles in there, so I think that this would be really nice like as a, what's it called, like a primer for your skin. That's kind of like a moisturizer primer before makeup. I'm definitely gonna leave this on my vanity and try that out before makeup. Next thing in here is the Star Skin VIP. It's an all-day mask. It's a 7-in-1 miracle skin mask. So apparently you just put your little fingers in it like she does and apply side one, and there's a second side that you reverse it and massage onto the skin. And this is supposed to be like an all-in-one. It's supposed to massage, exfoliate, tone, serum, moisturizer, a mask, and a makeup primer. That's a lot. That's a lot for one thing, but yeah, I don't know. I will definitely see what this is all about and kind of see if that's actually like all of those in one. And then the last thing in here is a Revlon lipstick. This like brings me back to the good old days. I used to have so many freaking Revlon lipsticks. I don't know why I steered away from the drugstore so much. I feel like I became way too bougie. And the drugstore really does have like hidden gems and really good products. And I feel like I haven't tried enough drugstore stuff lately. So just classic Revlon lipstick. This is in the shade Rose Wine. Oh, it's kind of like a beautiful terracotta kind of shade. Look how gorgeous that is. Ooh. I love Revlon lipsticks. I don't know why I've shied away from them so much lately. I feel like I used to buy so much from the drugstore and I kind of have shied away from that. Let me know if you guys want to see like more drugstore products or reviews or anything like that, and I will definitely jump on that. So that is it for the Look Fantastic box. Let me know what you guys think of this box or this month's box. I'd love to hear from you down below. I really enjoy the Illamasqua, the Elemis, even the Revlon. I feel like I haven't tried Revlon in like a hot minute, and I'm excited to try this and see if it really does help with oily hair. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below. You can also follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.